Waiting, guys. I gotta wait 30 seconds. I want to make sure I've got it right. Hang on. Just checking everyone one last time. Okay. USGS sent out a tweet. We're going to get the major one first. This one happened at 4:25. Then we had lots of aftershocks, okay? So we had one major aftershock. All right. USGS sent out a USGS sent out a tweet saying there was a 6.6 Bonin Islands region, Japan. They had it 130 miles west of Chichi-shima, S-H-I-M-A, Shima. They've got it at 282 miles in depth. Hey, Joanne, how are you, sweetie? Joanne, I'm making you a mod. I'm going to need you, okay? And if you don't want to be, let me know. I need a mod that's going to keep this clean. All right. Now, came across on the U.S. tsunami warning system as a 6.9. Let me pull that up. What am I tsunami warning? There it is. Thank you, Joanne. Okay, this came across on the U.S. tsunami warning system as a 6.9. I just want it kept clean. You can mute, you can delete, whatever. I don't care. Keep it clean for me, okay? All right. It says no tsunami, okay? No tsunami for this earthquake. They also had a 5.7 aftershock. We'll get to that in a second. I did put the U.S. tsunami warning system in here. All right. We're going to go to sorry, guys. All right, EMSC, as you can see, said no tsunami threat. They just do have it as a 6.6, Bonin Islands region. They don't have it as close as USGS. They've got it 550 miles south of SHIZUOKA-SHI, Japan. They've got it at 292 miles in depth. All right, USGS has got it at 282 miles in depth. All right, now, GFC was the first to post this earthquake. Let's go to GFC and show you that. They also have it at a 6.6. All right, let me open this up. They've got it as a 6.6 confirmed. They've got it at 300 miles in depth. All right, now, it also came across on the Australia Earthquake Center as a 6.6. Let me pull that up. Guys, even though the tsunami warning system said it was a 6.9, all these earthquake centers are saying it was a 6.6. All right, this is the Australia Earthquake Center. All right, Australia had it at a 6.6, Bonin Islands region. Now, to the fun part here. Well, it's not fun. I was surprised that they actually did this. Okay, so I am going to go to where this earthquake took place. All right, so let me go down to it. Sorry. Australia had that earthquake, by the way, at 292 miles in depth. All right, we're going to this earthquake. Guys, the closest volcano that is erupting right now is Nishino-shima volcano. It is 45 miles away from this earthquake. All right. That's USGS up there. Now, GFC was the primary source for this one. All right. And they were the primary source for the 5.7 also aftershock. Let me give you some data on this. All right. Estimated release of energy. Okay. They've got it in equivalent to an atomic bomb, a 7.5 atomic bomb going off there. All right. 7.5, guys. Can you imagine? All right. The next earthquake that just happened a few minutes ago, an hour or so ago, it was a 5.7. So let me pull that up. Once again, there was no tsunami warning with it. Let me pull up USGS and go get the 5. There it is. 5.7. This happened at 5:24. I checked. It is an aftershock. Good morning, Amelia. Everybody's here. Believe in life, a child. Okay. Guys, welcome. Let me go ahead and get these up, and then I'll go back and check everything out. Okay, the second one. USGS sent out a tweet saying there was a 5.7 Bonin Islands region. All right. This one was 2 miles shorter, longer than the other one. They have this one at 132 miles west of Chichi-shima. Okay, the other one was 130 miles. This one was 132 miles. They've got this one at 291 miles in depth. All right, this is going down into the mountain. All right, let me go get EMSC for you. EMSC, I love the way they put things farther away than what they were. All right. EMSC said it was a 5.5 to begin with, upgraded it to a 5.7, Bonin Islands region, 544 miles south of SHIZUOKAC. And they have it at, oh, I didn't put the miles in, I'm sorry, 449 kilometers. Oops, clear. 449, I think is what I said. 494, sorry, clear. 494. 306 miles in depth. So now they've got it deeper than USGS. All right, 406.9, so 307 miles with that. Now, GFC was also posting on this one. Let me go down to GFC. Opening up GFC. Come on. Let me enlarge this. GFC has it at a 5.7 also, Bonin Islands region, Japan. They've got it at 294.5 miles in depth. All right. And from what I showed you, the closest volcano is 53 miles now. That is the same volcano. It is red. It is erupting. All right. Let me go show you both earthquakes one more time on the map. It came up, the disaster alert has them both. I will read that off to you. I should have done that with the first one. I apologize. Pulling up disaster alert, guys. All right, there's the 6.6. Go ahead and read that first. What was that? Okay. 6.6. I'm pulling it up. And there it is. Let me read it to you. An earthquake of a magnitude 6.6 at a depth of 281.9, 282 miles has occurred. 209 kilometers west of Chichi-shima, Shima, Japan, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. These are only preliminaries, okay? Only preliminaries. Let me go ahead and pull up the one for the 5.7. And there is the 5.7 right there. All right, and I will read that to you. Same location, guys. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.7 at a depth of 290.6 kilometers. Yes, that's 291 miles, okay? Has occurred 213 kilometers west of Chichi-shima, Japan, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, NEIC of the Usgs. They have got it as a preliminary. I have copied all these down. They are now in the notes. All right. Estimated release of power for this earthquake. Excuse me, I am so sorry. I have got my sinuses this morning, and I have not had my asthma medicine. All right, I am pulling this up, and we're going to get the estimated release of power for this one. Where are you hiding? Where? There you are. Right there. All right. Estimated release of power. GFC was the primary source for this earthquake. All right. Now I've done the primary power. They're saying the primary power for this earthquake was release of energy, 5,351 tons of TNT, equivalent to a 0.3 atomic bomb. Now, this was the 5.7. All right, now we're going to go down again to the 6.6 and see if they finished putting it up in tons of TNT. Okay. Okay. They still haven't put it up in tons of TNT. They've got, no. All they got is 7.5 atomic bomb equivalent, okay, for the 6.6. So that was a major, major earthquake, okay? I need to find something out. Now, this happened at, the 6.6 happened at 4:25, okay? The 5.7 they're saying was probably an aftershock of the 6.6. That's what they're saying. I don't know, okay? That 5.7 happened at 5:24. The U.S. tsunami warning system has no tsunami for either earthquake. Damage for the 6.6 Bonin Islands region, Japan today. They don't have anything up yet, guys. Nothing up. Last one they have up was 2020. All right, so I'll keep an eye on that. It's probably still too early. If they do put something up for the 6.6, I will put it in the description box because that was a major earthquake. All right, I am going right now to copy these links for you. Okay. You'll have the U.S. Tsunami Warning Center link up there. You'll be able to see for yourselves there was no tsunami for this earthquake. All right, you'll have the epicenter for the 6.6. The nearest volcano, which for the 6.6 was 45 miles away. It was red. It was erupting. Estimated release of energy for this earthquake was 7.5 atomic bomb. Okay, GFC was the primary source. You'll have GFC, you'll have Australia, you'll have USGS and EMSC, and disaster alert. The second earthquake was a 5.7. You'll have the estimated release of energy. You'll have the closest volcano. Primary source was GFC. All right, you'll have them, USGS and EMSC for that earthquake. And you'll have disaster alert. I'm going to copy these now and post them into YouTube. You guys will have all links. Copy. And now we're going into YouTube. and I'm posting them in there. Videos. Edit. Now, guys, YouTube is holding these videos. Every time I go live, they hold them for 12 to 24 hours before they post them. All right? You can find these on my page. Go to community. Paste. Disaster alert USGS EMSC times. Volcano. Volcano. Educational purposes only. And post. And save. All right. Yes, we know. Now we're going to go here. Copy. I'm saving this into my, I'm saving this in, mailing it to myself. The video, that is. Okay. Sorry, guys. I got to get this done, so at least I have got proof it happened. All right. I will, like I said, go and check out for all damages, loss of life, loss of property, anything else I can find out for you. I will do that and put it in the comment section. Sweetie, Sweetie, I'm only doing major earthquakes until Sunday morning. I need time, okay? I was overwhelmed. I need time. So only major earthquakes, okay? Nancy, you're a doll baby. Thank you for worrying about me. Amelia, thank you for coming in. Believe like a child. Jesus is coming. Okay. Thank you so much for coming in. Joanne, you are a mod from here on in, sweetie. All right. Anybody comes in and you know what to do. All right. Nancy, can I make you a mod too, please? Thank you so much, Joanne. You are awesome, sweetie. You are just totally awesome. I need mods because now that the earthquakes are getting more and more, I'm getting more and more trolls in here. Nancy, I just made you a mod also, okay? All right, I am going to go, guys, one last time like I always do, and I will show you these earthquakes one last time, okay? As you can see, USGS had it at a 6.6. They still have it at a 6.6. U.S. tsunami warning has it at a 6.9, guys. Just letting you know. Okay, USGS said it was a 6.6, Bonin Islands region, 130 miles west of Chichi-shima, S-H-I-M-A, Japan, at 282 miles in depth. EMSC has it at a 6.6, pulling them up. I'll explain in a minute, Nancy. You hang on. Oh, thank you, Joanne. EMSC has the U.S. tsunami warning sign up there with a line through it. That means there was no tsunami, and there was no tsunami. They have it a 6.6 Bonin Islands region, 550 miles south of Shim, S-H-I, Japan, 292 miles in depth. So they're a good 10 miles deeper than USGS. All right, let's go to the 5.7. We'll go back to USGS and refresh it. Okay, 5.7 sitting right there on top. They're saying this is probably an aftershock of the 6.6. USGS has got this as a 5.7. Bonin Islands regions, 132 miles west of Chichi-shima at 291 miles in depth. All right. Now, EMSC started that one off with a 5.5, upgraded it to a 5.7 after USGS posted. There it is on their page. We're going to pop it right there and open it up. All right, now they've got it further away. Like I said, they started this as a 5.5, upgraded it to a 5.7, Bonin Islands region. They've got it 544 miles south of Shizuoka, Japan, at 306.9, so 307 miles in depth. All right, all these earthquakes were put up first for the primary source of these data source for these earthquakes was GFZ. All right, now GFZ had them at a 6.6 and a 6.7, 5.7. All links are in there. The U.S. tsunami warning system had what they're saying a 6.6, had it at a 6.9 preliminary. And let me show you that. This is the U.S. tsunami warning system. All right. They had it at a 6.9 at 301 miles in depth. All right. The 6.6 they had at a 6.9. All right. Preliminary 6.9. All right. All right. You will have the U.S. tsunami page in there also. All right, guys. That is what we've got. God bless each and every one of you. Nancy, Joanne, thank you for coming in. I definitely need you to take care of the problems that have been coming up in my page, okay? All right. I can't concentrate on doing these if you guys are taking care of the problem for me. Then I can concentrate. All right. Sending much love your way. God bless each and every one of you. You guys are totally, totally awesome. I will see if I can find out what's going on with the damage for this earthquake, if any. I think it was out to sea, if I remember correctly, and I think it was. Let me pull that up. It was not on the island itself. No, it was out at sea. Those are the two earthquakes right there. And that's how close it was to the volcano. I definitely want to check on that volcano also. All right, so let me shrink this down and see how close it was to land for you. Quite a ways. Now, the volcano is on a Bonin Island, okay? That is where the volcano is. Guys, look at the string of red volcanoes. All right, we're keeping an eye on this, I promise. All right, all right. I am going to go, let you guys go. God bless you. Be safe. You guys are totally awesome. It's going to go off like crazy today. Now, if they have another aftershock of a 5.0 or bigger, I will be on. All right. Other than that, I'm going to finish taking today off, and I'll be back on Sunday. All right. All right, guys. Let me say goodbye. Sending hugs. You guys sending love. 2 thumbs up. Please take care of one another. God bless each and every one. Bye-bye for now. Yes. God bless all day. Thank you so much, sweetie. You guys are awesome. Child of the Most High. Good morning, sweetie. All right, I'm going to go ahead. I know there's major earthquakes coming like crazy, guys. I do know that. It has increased this last week a lot. So God bless. You guys be safe. You guys are totally, totally awesome. Sending much love your way.